is Sasikara. My father name is Palisami. My brother name is Sengar brother. My brother name is Mayagil. Hi. My mother name is Panyamma. My sister is younger. My brother is younger. My brother name is Adiran. My sister name is Ragasi. My living area Adigaripatti Singadu.